Hey, what's up, channel link holder? So, what's the prediction of channel link to upcoming days? Channel link is moving up or fails down, and what's the new target, especially in my month, my friend? What's the new target, and what's my opinion to upcoming days? Sale, hold, or buy? What we do, my friend? So, let's get started. Before I get started the video, I request you, my brother, please subscribe every channel. Click out the red button and press bell icon for videos notification because this channel provides you very latest update and news. This time you can see here the last 1 hour chart. I already opened it, and this time change occur as a negative. So the first reason is that, my friend, today are going down. The reason is that this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down in the start of month. Remember that Chainlink is also fails down because this is the start of month, and the start of month, and especially in the first week, my friend, they gone very badly fails down because the reason is that to people starting selling. Absolutely, if people starting selling, then exactly they change occur as a negative and they fails down. So after this, you can see here they take a very small jump, but after this they also, my friend, fell down. So kindly be remember to don't sell it. I remember, please, I tell you, my friend, this is my opinion. I have 3 year experience in a crypto market, so I tell you to please hold it and don't sell it and wait for a good time. Channeling is one of the fastest coin. Remember, guys, please don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. This is my personal experience, and if you want to buy more, then absolutely research personally, because this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my friend, I just advise you. So this time you can see the price is also, my friend, starting fails now, decrease now, because and the change occur as a negative and people starting selling. So this is the one big reason, my friend. So this is the last 1 hour chart, my friend. If we check out the last 12 hour chart, my friend, and especially in this new month, so I hope, oh my goodness, you can see here after this the last 12 hour also change occur as an positive, because the 6 hour is in the April, my friend. So therefore 0.35% positive. So this time you can see here they also goes down, but definitely, my friend, after a fails they take a jump. So channel link holder, hope they take a jump like that, absolutely, and we all go to the moon. So please don't sell it. There is no option to use sell it. If you are a short term investor, then I hope today is good day for you to use sell it. But if you are a long term investor, then kindly don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I have no plan to sell it before 2022, my friend. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, subscribe your basic channel for latest news and updates.